Hello Dance of Chaos family. I bring to you another unboxing video. This is long overdue because this is a fall collection from last year and I really love the design, which is why I decided to get it not just in A5 but also in traveler size. And today I want to unbox the notebook and I want to talk to you about traveler size notebooks and what are the advantages of it. So as you can see, beautiful design. I really love how Archer and Olive have upped their packaging game. They now do season-based, theme-based packaging, and it changes every year. So it's very easy for me as a retailer to find out which notebook is what, even without looking at the back for their. And this is the beautiful notebook. I really love it. The design is so autumn, so fall. The color, the rusty color, the falling maple leaves in gold embossing, and the size, it just makes you take the notebook and start writing in it, isn't it? So this has been a small box and let's look into it. It's also 160 GSM and this is perfect for actually work notebook. I have something similar from another and I'm going to make this my next work notebook because just look at it. The inside, it's like so golden and beautiful. Like you want to write in it, no? And you want to make ideas and plans and to-dos and jot them down and tick them off. And of course, it comes with this gold embossed page markers, a pen loop. It just has everything you need to take with you. Just as it says, traveler's notebook, you can just travel with it. It will fit in your purse really well. I cannot wait to start using this notebook. And you know what? I'm going to tell you a secret. This notebook originally was €35. But I decided that maybe it does not need to be €35, and as a part of a Black Friday deal this year, I have reduced it to almost 30%. So this is like once in a lifetime bargain for you to try out a traveler's notebook if you haven't tried it before. And if you have tried before or you have tried Archer and Olive before, you know what an amazing bargain this is, and you are going to go and grab this notebook from our shop at www.danceofchaos.com.